Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable speedometer in Google Maps on Android. So this is my Android device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Google Maps. So let me open mine. Let me tap on this Google folder. So here I have this Google Maps. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. And after that, you have to tap on your profile picture icon over here at the top right. And then you have to tap on this settings. And then you have to scroll down to navigation settings. So here I have this navigation settings. So you have to tap on this. And I have this navigation settings. This screen opened. And on this screen, you have to scroll down to this driving options, this section. And in this section, you can see here we have this speedometer. And guys, if you don't find this speedometer, this option over here, then you need to update your Google Maps to the latest version. And after updating, you will get this speedometer. So currently it's off. You can see the toggle is currently disabled. So in order to enable speedometer, you have to tap on this toggle button next to this speedometer and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this. And you can see it's now enabled. So it's now done. After that, you can go back and you can enter your destination. Let me enter mine. And you can start navigating. Okay, so let me tap on this directions first. Let me tap on this start. Okay. And you can see guys, I'm not, driving. That's why, driving speed is not showing over here. So this is our speedometer. But when you start driving, it will show your driving speed. So I'm not driving. That's why it's showing 0 km/h. So that's it. In this way, you can easily enable speedometer in Google Maps on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.